Mr. Loomis. I'm the Culinary Arts teacher here at Oakhammock Middle School. I teach Culinary 1, 2, and 3. Culinary 1 is a half-year course. It focuses on the basics. Students are learning basics, basic cooking techniques. They're learning how to use all the tools in the kitchen, and they're discussing healthy eating and living. Culinary 2 is a full-year class where students continue to build on their culinary skills. In Culinary 2, they focus more on different topics and begin to look at more advanced skills and start learning about things like working in restaurants and other culinary concepts. Culinary 3 is the most advanced culinary class we have here. This class focuses on ServeSafe, which is a restaurant training tool that restaurants use to train their managers and their staff. In this class, they are learning how to be a manager and learning how to prepare and serve food safely for their guests to ensure that all their guests are safe. I'm Mr. Loomis. I teach culinary arts and I can't wait to see you in the kitchen.